Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to use Hindi in ChatGPT. So to do that, open your keyboard. In here, tap the language setup beside the three dots at the upper right corner of the keyboard. And in here, you can translate from English to Hindi. So tap Hindi and then type an English word. Example, what is science? And then enter, and you can see in the search bar of ChatGPT, it will translate to Hindi. So enter, and ChatGPT will answer you using the Hindi language. So that's how to use Hindi in ChatGPT. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.